So here we are in Lafayette, New York on an awesome retaining wall project. The customer currently has a railroad tie retaining wall that couldn't stand the test of time, and it's collapsed and fallen over. It had no retention back into the hillside. So we're gonna get this retaining wall out of here, and we're gonna put in a really nice gravity versa-lok retaining wall that's gonna stand the test of time and will never lean. Gotta love it, folks. 30 years and this is what you get. Out with the old, in with the new. Something a lot more stronger, with a little bit more structural integrity. It's not gonna fall over. Favorite part of the job, demo day. Now, along with this process, if you saw, we have drainage behind this wall. The whole back of the wall is backfilled with crushed #2 stone. It's a highly pervious stone and 95% compact off the truck. So it's not gonna settle, and it's gonna get all the water to come right behind the wall and straight down into that drainage pipe, which will alleviate any problems with this wall in the future, causing it to collapse or fail or lean or fall over. So we got the first course set. That takes the longest because every block has to be leveled by hand individually. Once the first course is set and level, it's all smooth sailing, and we start doing the second course and working our way up to the top of the wall. So right now, as we lay out the second course, every block is pinned and glued. The pin is for a setback, so the wall gradually leans back up into the hill, and the glue is to secure the top block to the bottom block. So that's a wrap here in Commane Road. We got both retaining walls built. They're standing tall. Our asphalt company, Shawn's Paving, came in, cleaned up the edges of the driveway that we saw cutted. So everything's got a nice transition right to the wall. So before, if you remember, the retaining wall that was behind me, made out of railroad ties, was falling over and leaning. So as you can see, this wall has a nice taper with it, with the existing slope of the hillside. We've brought it down real nice and smooth. The homeowner will be able to mow their lawn now on their riding lawnmower and not have to worry about tipping over.